Awfully so.
Oh my goodness, yes. And if you just stand outside for any amount of time, you can really feel the pollen in the air. I mean, I know my son just coughs like crazy with it. All right, so here's what to expect. We have a weather alert day today. We've been talking about the unsettled pattern all morning. This is going to stay with us through the weekend. That means scattered storms. The problem with scattered means that they're just going to kind of pop up here and there. So we have to really keep a track of those because of that. The main threat from these would be the damaging winds that could be possible. Some hail, isolated tornadoes are not out of the question, as we saw on Friday afternoon. Flooding is possible in isolated spots where those storms develop because they could drop more than an inch of rain pretty quickly as they develop over the top of you. So that's what we're dealing with for today. 68 degrees outside right now. You can see all that cloud cover and all the rain around. Rain chances are going to be pretty high through the first part of the day at least, and we're going to see our best chances of some storms. I'd say in this area right here, just about 11 a.m. to about 2 p.m. could be the best chance that we see some of the storms developing. But then as we head through the afternoon, the possibility of some of those severe storms developing. So we do have all-day potential for some rain and all-day potential for a few rumbles of thunder to be possible, and some of those storms could be strong. All right, so here's our futurecast temperatures this morning. We're in the upper 60s to near 70 there in Fayetteville. As we head through the afternoon, we're going to make it up to about 73 by noon. Some areas may get a few pockets of sunshine. If you get that, it's going to allow you to warm up, and that means we could have those stronger storms develop because of that. So we'll just keep watching that for you, but it looks like the cloud cover will keep temperatures in the 70s for most of us. And by 4 o'clock today, 78 in Raleigh, 76 for Dunn, 77 for Fayetteville. Officially, I'm going with 77 for a high. Some of those models, as you just saw, getting slightly warmer than that. Durham, about 74, and Fayetteville, about 81. Highest rain chances there across central North Carolina. The Sandhills, slightly lower, but still the potential is there for some of those stronger storms. So the big picture right now, we have a front that's moving towards us, and it's going to stall out a little later today, especially towards the evening hours, which just keeps us unsettled, and that's why we're experiencing some of this rain today, and we'll see the possible severe weather developing later this afternoon. So we're at the marginal risk, which is the lowest end of the scale when we consider severe weather, but through the afternoon hours into the early evening is the highest chance for seeing this marginal risk for some strong to maybe severe storms. So we're going to be talking about all this coming together, and in fact tomorrow it looks like we have even a higher chance of seeing some strong to severe storms late in the evening. So we're going to be talking about that too here at Futurecast. But let's time things out through the morning. You can see we have rain around here on the map. As we head through the first part of the morning and early afternoon, there's that line kind of developing right across central North Carolina. Now as we head through the evening, yeah, things quiet down for us some, a few isolated showers out there, but watch as we get into Sunday. Clouds around, few pockets of sun here and there, but here's the afternoon and evening. There's that line developing there once again, and that wave coming through could be also strong to severe. So we'll watch that, and then as we get into early Monday morning, the rain starts to pull away. So while it is widespread on the map, it's going to start to exit through the first part of the morning, and by Monday afternoon, we're going to see some sunshine. So it's going to take a little bit of time to get out of here through the weekend, but we will see a better start to the work week. All right, so here's our forecast for pollen. It's medium right now. We were talking about that at the top of my weathercast here. Thanks to the rain, it's dropped it down some. But every time you get rain, you get something else blooming. So we're going to go back up to high as we head through the next few days here. It's oak, sweet gum, and poplar right now that's causing your sneezing to happen. So here's your 3-day forecast. Alert days today and tomorrow. The potential for severe storms is there. Stay tuned to CBS 17. We will break in if there's a tornado warning out there for any reason. Severe thunderstorms, you'll see a crawl across the bottom of your screen, letting you know where they're headed. As we head through the next several days, there's that clearing out on Monday. As we get into Tuesday and Wednesday, beautiful days, mid-70s to low 80s by Thursday. Absolutely gorgeous. So we just have this threat of the strong storms through the weekend, Felicia. Very, very good idea to keep kind of attuned to the television, to the radio, to your weather radio for sure, because you may get a few alerts today.
All right, Bay, thank you for that update. Ahead